If you're planning to become a licensed electrical contractor in North Carolina in 2026, this video walks you through exactly what you need to know. North Carolina doesn't license individual journeymen or masters. The state board licenses contracting businesses across three tiers: limited, intermediate, and unlimited. Welcome to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. Stick around. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you a discount code for all exam prep materials. Electrical contractor licensing in North Carolina is handled by the NCBEEC. They license contracting businesses, not individuals. The person who passes the exam is the qualified individual legally responsible for supervising all electrical work under that license. Journeyman level licenses, where required, are handled locally by your municipality. The board also manages renewals, which happen annually. North Carolina exam is based on the 2023 National Electoral Code, adopted statewide January 1st, 2024. It's an open book exam, so you got to bring your own NEC plus the North Carolina general statutes and board rules. You can tab and highlight these books ahead of time, but you cannot write in references during the exam. All three tiers share the same basic requirements. You must be 18 years old or older, a valid social security number, good moral character, and 2 character statements. The limited license needs 2 years of projects under $50,000 and 600 volts. The intermediate license is going to need 4 years up to $130,000 in projects and no voltage cap. The unlimited license is going to require 5 years plus 2 years of experience vouchers with no caps at all and 9,000 total hours. 8,000 of them must be hands-on. The license fees are going to be $100 for the limited, $150 for the intermediate, and $200 for the unlimited. Document your experience on the board's employer statement form, submit your application with character statements, and then you're going to pay the $125 exam fee to PSI and sit for the open book exam. Once you pass, you're going to submit a separate license application with your tiers fee to activate. Remember, failed attempts require a 3-month wait before retaking, and applications stay valid for 1 year. Every license has a qualified individual, the person who passed the exam and is legally responsible for supervising all work under that license. Intermediate and unlimited applicants need a statement of bonding ability. Any business with 3+ employees need workers' comp. Unlimited licenses also requires 2 licensed contractors to vouch for your experience for each business entity, and they need its own license. The exam is open book and computer-based through PSI. Limited license covers NEC basics, the intermediate is going to add commercial scope, and the unlimited covers everything at the highest difficulty. For each of the exams, you're going to need a 70% passing score, and it's $125 per attempt, regardless of the tier. You're going to bring your own 2023 National Electoral Code, the North Carolina statutes, and the NASCLA Business Guide, and there is no writing in the references during the test. If you're already licensed elsewhere, the NCBEEC maintains reciprocity with several southeastern states, including Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, South Carolina, Texas, Virginia, and others that are shown here. Keep in mind, reciprocity typically only waives the trade exam. You still need North Carolina's business and law requirements and a reciprocity application. You always can confirm with the NCBEEC directly. North Carolina requires 8 hours of continuing education every single year, covering NEC updates and state law. Here's the big one. Unlike most states' multi-year cycles, all classifications renew annually on April 1st. The renewal fee is $100 and a $25 late fee if you miss the deadline. Let's do a quick recap. So the limited license is going to be 2 years, under $50,000 and a $100 fee. The intermediate license is the 4 years of experience, up to $130,000 in projects and a $150 fee. The unlimited is going to be 5 years plus the vouchers, no caps, and a $200 fee. All three share a $125 exam fee. All three require a 70% passing score, annual renewals, and the 8 hours of CE per year. Focus on high-frequency NEC topics for the exam, including load calculations, grounding and bonding, services, conductor sizing. Since it's open book, tab your code book well ahead of time. Navigation speed matters as much as knowledge. Study the NASCLA North Carolina Guide for Business and Law and know your classification-specific scope. That brings me to the discount I promised. Use code 2026NC at checkout on oneexamprep.com for 15% off any North Carolina electrical contractor exam prep package. Whether you're going for limited, intermediate, or unlimited, again, that's 2026NC at checkout for 15% off. If you're preparing for the North Carolina limited, intermediate, or unlimited exam, or journeyman or master exam requirements. Check the links below for North Carolina specific exam prep material around the 2023 NEC. Use code 2026 NC at checkout on oneexamprep.com for 15% off. Subscribe to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel for more state-by-state breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.